Yo, what's up, people? Memorial High School. My name's Alejandro Rodriguez, founder of Optical Flow. And right now I'm going to show you the dance freeze, since I wasn't able to show you in my last video. So check it out. Ready?